Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Misa, your farm lady. I'm here again with a very educative and informative video. I don't know what, I kind of very fascinating about doing video about pond water, anything about water. I'm here again to tell you about another very important thing you need to know about water, but in this video you use to either improve the quality of your water or to check the quality of your water. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you some of the tools or kits that you use to measure the quality of your water or to improve the quality of your water. So the first tool that you should have on your farm is the DO pen. This is the DO pen. This helps you to measure the dissolved oxygen in your pond, and this one also comes with the temperature. So with this tool I'll be able to measure both the dissolved oxygen and the temperature on my farm. So there's one tool you should have on your farm. And the second one, API kit. Yes, this is the API kit. Yeah, this kit have 4 tests in it that you can test. You can test your ammonium, you can test your nitrate, you can test your nitrite, and you can test your pH as well in this kit. So all of them are in here. So this is the ammonia. This is it. This is what you use for the ammonia. And you also have this one for your nitrate, and this for the pH, but also pH come in different form. I'll also show you the pH test paper which I'm using as well. And this is the nitrite. So that's it. So this kit tells you about all the tests. So for the ammonia, it tells you the amount of excretion in the water, like the fish eats the physics. So if you use the ammonia, you'll be able to tell. So the best get 0. So if you're having any number above 0, that means you need to do something. That means like the water is not that okay, because ammonia and ammonia in balance. So that's what the skit is used for. And the other one also, that's the pH test paper. Yes, there's the pH test paper that I use on my farm. So the pH test paper or the pH liquid helps you to know whether your water is acidic or it's base. So the fish growing is between 7 to 8. The moment it gets to 9, you should be worried. The moment you get below 6, going 5, because you need to adjust it. I will also definitely do a video maybe to tell you what to do when these numbers are not really in the right place. And if you are learning so much from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that this information can go viral. So the other tools again you should have on your farm is this Secchi. Yes, this Secchi is mostly useful for people that are doing pond based and their fish rely on some amount of phytoplankton. So if you want to know how to make and use this Secchi, you can check my video out, so you can watch for that as well. This is also one thing you need to ask, especially if you are operating a pond base. And the last but not the least is this pond aerator. This is the smaller size that I use in my archery. So this pond aerator is used to add oxygen, especially if you want to increase your intensity. So for example, if you want to stock a maximum of the facility or the pond, you should have this pond aerator to add more air into the facility, especially in Africa. But in US, I see they did not use it much because their water is constantly flowing. But you should use this if you are using a stable water that's not frequently moving, especially where water is very difficult, so you can just release your water. So you can use this to increase the oxygen in your pond, especially for in the morning hours when the sun is not up. So this is all what to have for today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be informed whenever I upload a video. And also please comment and share, and you can also make your comments so we can continue this conversation. I still remain your girl, Maisie, your farm lady. Bye. See you in my next video.